Good day to you people. Me just come in from road, left Jesse. I finish all the finishing touch the Bob Marley birthday bash. Well, let me see. Let me show you what we have finished today. Alright, zoom in on the top now, Jesse. Over here, so me I first woman for cook rice out a pot. The first woman for cook rice out a pot. So this is the rice and peas. So me seal it down with the plastic and make everything steam. Nothing can escape. So touch it down now, Jesse. So see it there? That's how the rice and peas complete with the ginger pan top, pimento seed, pepper, scallion, thyme, the whole works. So this are the finishing touch of the rice and peas. Alright, the soup almost done. So not there for sure, because the people them drink have the soup done already. Alright. So this now are the steamed veg. Zoom in on the steamed veg now, Jesse. Yeah, that are the finishing touch of the steamed veg. Because you know the Rasta man them love them steamed veg. And over here, sir, we have some baked chicken. And in the oven still I do some jerk chicken. So this is baked chicken done. We're going to put away. And then I'm going to fix up the famous sauce. And finalize the argument with the famous sauce. So now this is the whole works for today. Not the whole works, but almost the whole works. So that's how we are doing it for today, crowd of people. So I don't know, say, Bob Marley birthday bash later, Kafka, the thing shell down. Done, it done. As Mama Suzie put out the food, people them eat it up like a piranha. Trust me, and the famous sauce, mad. Mad. Love you, peace out for today, people. Love you.